Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and document this. There's like a layer on the top. I think that's just water from the lid over here. But you can see there's definitely a different layer. That layer on top has a different flavor. It's a little more savory. So I don't know if that's coming from the sugar. Maybe I didn't mix it in. It is a kind of a coarser texture. I'd almost say like cheese. But yeah, that's something different. But man, that yogurt down below is distinctly different. It's almost like I almost want to say there's like a vanilla tone or something. Tastes really good. So I'm gonna skim all that stuff off the top of the silver or silver plated spoon. And I'm gonna call it's good at 22 hours because it seems it's that's thick, so that's good enough. I can always strain it, and I'll probably pour off the whey and keep that for another batch. I think that should be okay, but I'm gonna first try to see what I can do, maybe with a spatula. I don't want to a spatula, like a silver spoon in there. Try to scrape off that top. Okay.